In a world where financial freedom seems elusive, it's time to take charge of your financial future. In this video, we will walk you through 10 powerful strategies that can help you pave the way to financial freedom. So, let's dive in and discover the path to a brighter financial tomorrow. 1. Setting clear financial goals. The first step on your journey to financial freedom is setting clear and compelling financial goals. Make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or paying off debt, clarity is key. These goals will act as guideposts, keeping you focused, motivated, and aligned with your vision. 2. Creating and sticking to a budget. To achieve your financial goals, it's essential to create a well-defined budget. Start by listing all your sources of income and track your expenses diligently. Identify areas where you can reduce costs or eliminate unnecessary expenses. Remember, every dollar saved can be allocated towards your financial goals. Stick to your budget and regularly review it to ensure you're on the right track. 3. Eliminating high-interest debt. High-interest debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. Prioritize paying off debts with the highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on other debts. Consider debt consolidation options or negotiating lower interest rates to accelerate your debt repayment journey. As you free yourself from the burden of debt, you'll gain more control over your financial future. 4. Building an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, and having a solid emergency fund is vital. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start by setting aside a small portion of your income each month and gradually increase the amount. This emergency fund will provide a safety net during challenging times, protecting you from falling into debt and giving you peace of mind. 5. Investing wisely. Investing wisely is a powerful tool for wealth creation. Educate yourself about different investment options and consider working with a financial advisor to develop a customized investment strategy. Diversify your investments across various asset classes to spread risk. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. With a well-planned investment approach, you can grow your wealth over time. 6. Diversifying income streams. In today's evolving economy, diversifying your income streams is essential. Explore opportunities to generate additional income beyond your primary job. Consider starting a side business, freelancing, investing in real estate, or generating passive income through investments. Diversifying your income sources not only provides stability but also accelerates your journey to financial freedom. 7. Continuous skill upgrades. Investing in your personal and professional development is a key ingredient in your financial success. Identify areas for improvement and pursue relevant courses, certifications, or workshops. Continuous learning enhances your skills, making you more valuable in the job market and increasing your earning potential. By upgrading your skills, you open doors to better career opportunities and long-term financial growth. 8. Prioritizing long-term investments. To secure your financial future, prioritize long-term investments. Contribute to your employer-sponsored retirement accounts, such as a 401k, or open an individual retirement account, IRA. Take advantage of any employer matching contributions to maximize your savings. The power of compounding over time can significantly grow your investments, helping you build wealth for the future. 9. Minimizing lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Instead of increasing your spending, Prioritize saving and investing a portion of any income increases. By keeping your expenses in check and maintaining a frugal mindset, you can accelerate your progress towards financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. 10. Practice patience and discipline. Achieving financial freedom is a journey that requires patience and discipline. Stay committed to your financial goals, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial independence. Maintain a long-term perspective, celebrate small milestones along the way, and stay motivated. With patience and discipline, you'll be rewarded with the life you envision. By implementing these 10 powerful strategies and maintaining consistency, you can pave the way to financial freedom. Keep in mind that each person's financial journey is distinctive, so tailor these strategies to align with your specific circumstances and goals. Seize control of your financial destiny and let 2024 mark the beginning of your journey towards financial freedom and a brighter future. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button, share and subscribe to the channel.